Y'all want to complain? Do what I did. Take that month off. You big dog. Take that month off.
Yeah.
Seems like I always fall short of being worthy.
The difference is I run businesses. If I ain't employ you, then what your business is? I have staff roll up like what the business is.
As you guys can see and hear, I'm pulled over on the side of the interstate. Someone just rear-ended me. Stop and go traffic. I'm like, you know what? If this is not a sign from God, if this is not a sign from God that I need to be working from home, I literally just got this car in December. I've not even had this car for a year yet. And I've already been in an accident. Mind you, my insurance is already... We ain't gonna get up there, but my insurance is up there. I can't afford to get in any more accidents. So this right here, even though it was her fault, my insurance is about to go up again. Oh, and not to mention, I've been stressed out all week because we have a new program manager who likes to micromanage. Yeah, I love that. And when I say micromanage, I'm talking about they are the type to walk over to your desk, look at your computer, look into your face, and see what you're doing. Yeah. Oh, and not to mention, they messed up, you know, the spreadsheet that everyone has to work on. So guess who had to fix the spreadsheet for 2 days? Oh, and not to mention, if you're a minute late, you have to put in 15 minutes worth of leave. And now I just got in this car accident. Woosa. Woosa. We're just gonna woosah. But this is my life. This has been my life. Yeah, I'm gonna check in with y'all later. Okay, y'all, it's the end of the night. Not sure if y'all can hear me over the music, but I'm just about to show y'all me putting up bags because we have to replace the bags that everybody took with the packages and stuff like that. We got to replace those. I'm still on light duty, so they got me putting up bags. So y'all just watch me put up bags.
I see you putting in that work.
Give them a pipe wine with a rubber waistline. You are moving a time.
Get your body, get your body, get your body. What kind of thing that you are working for you? Oh, you are working, but they never did do. I see you putting in that work. I see you putting in that work.
Y'all, it's almost 12:30. Why? Y'all, we over here hiding. Don't nobody be using these aisles. Cause baby, my foot, I gotta get up off the foot and I'm tired. Yeah, go ahead and make that phone call. So I'm just over here hiding. today drained me.
Lord have mercy. Today drained me.
And I'm still trying to edit and get y'all these videos up, but y'all, it's been too much going on. I just feel like my blessing is just on the way because it's been way too much stuff going on for me not to be expecting a huge blessing. You hear me? I'm just tired. I don't even know if y'all keep hearing me because this fan's so loud. This fan is loud. Girl, don't do that. Good morning, you guys, and welcome back to another 9 to 5 day in the life. I don't really know which one I'm gonna do yet. It might be like a day in the life though. As you guys can hear, I'm not a morning person, so this is how I sound in the morning. Like, I'm very much congested. I don't like to talk a lot in the morning because my voice is cracky. But y'all, I have to update you guys because I have to update y'all because a lot of stuff has been going on. My 9 to 5, just my day in the life. So first, we have a new program manager. Yeah. He has been a major pain in my behind. Yeah. And I'm saying that because he has a military background. So he's already coming in like a know-it-all. Has already messed things up. Took me 2 days to fix it. Yeah, and then we have a new admin person that's helping me, even though we still don't do the same as that job. But she still doesn't have access, so guess who has to help her out? Yeah, so that's been going on all this week. And then I just started back working at my warehouse job. Yeah, you know, like those jobs where you just miss the people but not the job. That's that warehouse job. Yeah, like when I came back, it's more of like a warehouse of love. Like, everybody is coupled up. Ain't nobody want to do no work. You got people. Yeah, it's a warehouse of love. That's all I'm gonna say. Yeah, management still sucks, as y'all will see, because I'm gonna be putting in some clips. Management still sucks. They still got their favorites. And yeah, like, I'm still on light duty and everybody complaining about that. And you know, I have to let them know, if y'all have a problem with me being on light duty, do what I did. Go ahead and take your month off and go to the doctor. They don't want to do that though, because they go miss that moolah. They eating real good right now. Yeah, your girl wasn't eating good for a month. So y'all want to complain? Do what I did. Take that month off. You big dog. Take that month off. Yeah. Oh, and another policy for, because light, you did not have to change. Another policy that Mr. Pain in my behind has is, if you're not at your desk by 8:01, you have to put in 15 minutes worth of leave. Yeah. Like, immediately when he came in, I just started looking at the calendar because I was like, let me show you something right quick. Prepare the others. That's all I'm gonna say. They surely gonna be startled. Prepare the others, cause no, I'm just here, y'all. Honestly, like, the days clash together. The days turn into nights, the nights turn into days, and then it's just like a repeated cycle that I feel like I'm just going through constantly. And I tried to explain to him about, like, the traffic. So not only am I getting up even earlier than, like, I was getting up before because I missed the pain in my behind, but I'm also still sitting in like 45-50 minutes worth of traffic due to me taking the longer way because I refuse to get on the interstate, y'all. And I'm pretty sure I'll show y'all later on in the video why I just refuse to get on the interstate. But yeah, I'm still traumatized by that. But I'm not going to ramble. We're just going to go ahead and get our day started. And yeah.
Took me a while, but I'm finally here. So I just wanna testify. Seems like I always fall short of being worthy. I ain't no superstar, the spotlight ain't shining on me. No. 'Cause I ain't good enough.
I used to wake up some days and wish I'd stay asleep. Now everybody's got opinions. They ain't been in my position. That it breaks my heart.
I always fall short of being worthy.
Thought I ain't worthy.
'Cause I ain't good enough.
I don't wanna be for you.
I ain't good enough.
But it still loves me perfect.
Yes, I do wrong. Yes, I do wrong. Trying my best. Trying my best.
By the way, don't succeed. 'Cause I ain't
good enough.
stand for him or fall for anything. It's too bad that we all look the same. What will we do without rain? We are not worthy.
I ain't good enough.
But you still love me. I'm not perfect. He's still hands if you understand. How he blesses you, cause he blessed me too. He still loves me. Even though I ain't worthy, you ain't worthy. He's there for you. He still loves me. He still loves me.
And y'all not even about to believe I left my house early. And guess what? I'm still late. But people don't believe me. I literally been sitting in 50 minutes worth of traffic doing Fast and Furious because people want to be on their phones doing dumb stuff. And I'm still late. But what are we going to do about it? We're still alive. We still have our health. We still have our strength. So we're just going to make the best out of our day. Honestly, that's kind of where I'm at with this job. I'm just going to make the best out of my day. I can't control everybody. I can only control Shawnee's. Okay, y'all. So I'll check in with y'all later. I don't know when, but I'm going to pick up this camera later.
Things ain't what they used to be. No. Where did all the blue skies go? Poison is the wind that blows from the north and south and east. Whoa, mercy, mercy me. All things ain't what they used to be. No. Oil wasted on the oceans and upon our seas, fish full of mercury. Oh, mercy, mercy me. All things ain't what they used to be. No. Radiation underground and in the sky. Animals and birds who live nearby are dying. Oh, mercy, mercy me.
Hey y'all, we at work. We at work. Taking our bags. Being great workers here. You got something that you want to get off your chest?
Nah, because I don't want to lose my job.
Oh, I know. I probably done lost mine. Because I surely did crash out in the video. I surely did. But now that you had me messed up on the other aisle, and she was like, oh my God, what the fuck is going on?
It's 7 p.m.
If he right here with me, turned up with my niggas, turned up with my bitches, turned up in my shows, yeah, cause I got that blick. 60,000 fans can't see me do my dance. Got 1,000,001 haters, and they y'all can kiss my ass. Turned up with my niggas, turned up with my bitches, turned up in my shows, yeah, cause I'm right here with me. Off a fifth of hand, getting fucked up with my twin. Got a backwood full of top and a bankroll full of beans. All that Twitter typing, bitches see me and ain't do nothing. Crop top with some biker shorts, I'm showing off my moose nut. I'm feeling good today. I'm outside with your pay. Got a brown skin nigga with dreads and a black ass nigga with waves. He gon' drop that net. He love the way I sit. Fake nails, bitches.
You already know, man. The biggest Trump, biggest pressure, man. You already know, man. What to do? Oh yeah, you want to?
Yeah, like that's like real fed.
My bad.
Hey y'all, we at work. I'm trying to hide.
warehouse.
Out in the back. Come over on this side. DoorDash.
Hey, what you say you had?
I have to blur stuff out, so just say big warehouse or whatever.
Okay, big warehouse stuff.
Come on, Joy. Y'all, we done sweated up a freaking storm. We is hot. We tired. We trying to hide. Cause you're
Sweating, cuz. Sweat.
y'all, but make sure that y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Like, if y'all not subscribed, then what are you doing? Cause your girl be out here working. Oh, say.
I'm coming on that ass.
Yeah. And he is. What about it? Yeah. And she is. Yeah. Deuces.